Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Traefik reverse proxy for Docker stacks on VPS. Detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a VPS instance running with Docker and Docker Compose installed. Log into your VPS via SSH. Start by creating a directory for your Traefik configuration files. Navigate to this new directory. Create a Docker Compose.yml file for your Traefik setup. Open the Docker Compose.yml file with a text editor. Define the Traefik service within this file. Set the image to Traefik v2.5. Specify the restart policy to always. Set the ports for HTTP and HTTPS. Map them to the host using ports 80:80 and 443:443. Add volumes for Traefik configurations and Docker socket. Next, define a network for your Traefik service. Use the Docker network mode for Traefik. Add labels to enable Traefik dashboard access. Now, it's time to configure Traefik's dynamic configuration. Create a dynamic configuration file. You can name it traefik.yml. In this file, create entry points for HTTP and HTTPS. Set the necessary routers and services for your applications. Return to your Docker Compose file. Specify the path to your dynamic configuration using volumes. Start by defining your application stack in a new directory. Navigate to this application directory. Create another Docker Compose.yml file for your application. Define your application service within this file. Use the desired image for your application. Set the restart policy to always. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.